Many people, when first stepping into the world of real estate investing, often ask themselves, in real estate, what determines success? Is it timing, location, legal documents, or simply the price? The truth is, the answer isn't as simple as choosing just one of the four. In real estate, no single factor is strong enough on its own. It's like a four-legged stool. Only when all four legs are sturdy can you rely on it. The four core factors are timing, location, legal foundation, price. As the old saying goes, when all four pillars are solid, the house will not lean. The same applies to real estate investing. If even one of these pillars is weak or missing, risks will appear. And those risks aren't just about losing money. They can cost you time, opportunities, and even your confidence in the market itself. 1. Timing. The advantage for those who act quickly. The real estate market always moves in cycles. There are times of rapid growth, times of stagnation, and times of recovery. Smart investors aren't the ones who try to catch the peak or catch the bottom, but the ones who know how to choose the right moment to step in. When the market has just begun to recover, that's the time to buy at a good price and wait for growth. When prices are still relatively low, but infrastructure, population, and services in the area are on the rise, that's your golden chance to get in early. The key is this: don't follow the crowd. By the time everyone is rushing to buy, prices are usually already inflated. Successful investors prepare ahead of time and act when others are still hesitant. 2. Location. The one factor you can never change. There's a saying, when you buy real estate, you're really buying the location. And it's true, you can renovate a house, rebuild a structure, but you can never change its location. A good location doesn't always mean the city center with sky-high prices. It could just as well be a suburban area that has clear development plans and a long-term growth strategy, strong infrastructure investment in improving transportation links, a growing residential community with plenty of essential services like schools, hospitals, and shopping centers. Most importantly, real demand, whether for living or for business. When real demand exists, the value of real estate is sustainable. Without it, prices are easily driven by speculation and rumors, which rarely last. 3. Legal foundation. The solid base of any property. Legal clarity is arguably the most important shield for every investor. Whether you're buying to live in or to invest, if the legal foundation isn't clear, you're essentially standing on shaky ground. A property worth investing in must have a legitimate certificate of ownership with transparent information, no disputes, no involvement in frozen zoning or pending development plans, the ability to be transferred quickly with a clear and transparent transaction process. If legal documents are missing, then no matter how cheap the property is, you're essentially holding it for someone else rather than truly owning it. And legal risks can sometimes wipe out an investor overnight. 4. Price. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. Many people think a low price always means opportunity and a high price always means risk. But the reality isn't that simple. What matters is whether the price truly reflects the property's value. If you buy at a fair value with growth potential, that's a solid investment. But if you buy just because of rumors, hype, or an agent's price inflation, you're at high risk of overpaying. Train yourself to check market prices, compare from multiple sources, and analyze carefully before making a move. A successful investor always knows how to negotiate and stays calm, never letting emotions take control. Conclusion: timing, location, legal foundation, price. These four factors are the compass of real estate investing. When they all align, you have a reliable guide that helps you stand firm through any market fluctuations. Always ask yourself, am I choosing the right timing? Is this location truly promising? Are the legal documents crystal clear? Does the price reflect the real value? If you haven't checked all four, slow down. In investing, it's far better to pause and be sure than to rush into a deal and regret it later. Real estate investing is not gambling. It's a long-term journey of building sustainable wealth if you have the right knowledge, patience, and discipline.